Hello students, my name is Shaishav and today we will be focusing on how to increase the font size in PyCharm. And so basically in order to increase the font size you have to just go into file, underneath the file select the option settings. In settings try to find editor. So as soon as you find editor you will be displayed with the following options, and out of this option you select font, and here you see you can change the type of the font, size, and the spacing between the lines. So I'm just doing fire code, so it just change the any of the thing. In order to change the size I'll just do 20, and spacing could be 1.3 based on that, and I'll have to hit apply and OK, and here you go, we are done with this.